Look what go on. Make it there on a foot. Jesus! Slap him! He no drop.
Bird bush, guys. Look there. Guys, we see one partridge, guys. Oh, stretch get fish at him. Guys, stretch shoot one partridge.
Like come chin chest.
Come, let me see.
Guys, I know you never see one of them bird there. See we shoot one of them bird there. See how they look red?
Reddish,
brownish,
reddish. Yeah, how them brown look so?
I'm not sure.
Turn it
Just
around.
them. Not to want to show up on the other side, but
Oh.
you know, yeah. So I go on my peeps, see them pretty. Partridge. Them say them deaf.
But then can see.
Can't see. So guys, the hunt is on. The hunt is on. Sneak up behind the tree. Set by your angle. He fly again. You see him? You see distance in there? Fly go up further. In a bush. See him there? You see him? You see him now? Tap. Wet him from there, so try wet him from there, so. Go back in the bush where you did there. Go back in the pass. See pass there, so. So it sound like a him that fly gone way over so. You see him? So I know him then. Guys, I happen to Mickey have a warm time to shot him on and king. He fly gone back right where you did there. See him gone back up there. Right back, you have to go back. Peeps, Mickey take a water break. I'm having little bridges where am I go eat our bridge. Bridge. Yes guys.
Here one you.
The peeps. Yeah. You know on this. Guys, we are hunt from there and we don't really see much bird, but because we come out late. But you know where we go? We have to do something soon, no? I don't know anything set up. We're out here hunt. We are gonna stay a little bit longer, my peeps, because we really want to know if we are gonna see not more in the evening. So now just stay tuned. And we really want to big up all our supporters, them want to say much love and respect to all of you. You see it?
Each and every one of you
Each
guys.
and every one. You see it? Yeah, man. We love the support you now give we. And brother Phil, you don't know any man. You don't know. Big up, big up, big up. Auntie Faye, Hernandez, Lester, you know yourself, man. We don't forget to know, No there with the same way. Robert Matarin, the whole of you, man. You don't know anything set up. Daniel Meji, yeah, don't know. Just stay tuned, guys, and remember, guys, just like the video. We don't know if we'll see no more bird for today, but we hear so them come round in the what you call it? Yeah, in the evening time. Watch the woodpecker. This is what woodpecker, guys. Hold on for that one. Lick him. Alright, that is a close call, peeps. Mickey lick him, but we don't know what go on. Guys, look at these stuff.
Oh,
you bored them, Where? Mickey full of hit.
And then juke bad.
Yeah, man. Guys, me full of it, wicked too.
Ah.
And you know the funny thing, peeps. The bird getty and gone. Yeah, guys, we're going to see if we take them off. If don't rub them off, if don't just rub them.
Time is hot, it a juke me.
I know. Call my shirt, peeps. Look at my shirt. Look at guys. This is one hole in a queer. Like nothing. Oh, but well, guys, we are go back out on the front, Come on, Mick. Not take them off yet. Not take them off yet. Remember, say you have to go back to the same place. Alright. Well, guys, stay tuned, alright? So, we get ourselves all cleaned off now, guys. You're gonna see it. Make it clean off himself too.
She fed up on you.
So guys, I want to bring Mickey. I want to spot my peep so she can have the amount of bird to shoot. Hey, what? Two parrot coming at this now, guys. Look what go on. Mickey there on a foot. Jesus! Slap him! He no drop. Bumpy! Jaja!
How you no drop?
Jeez!
Alright,
Guys, we wish you could have seen that. Make it slap him, Watch him. Oh, yo, they ain't tough,
Yeah.
Guys, make it slap him a while ago,
Right,
Watch out. Real shooter, Sure.
Not even drop. You burn me.
Oh, yeah. Sure, ready again. Give him another woodpecker, Mick. Oh gosh, in the low. Go around this way.
Which tree,
Just go on, hurry.
If you go on, you always do that and I not see him.
And then other tree there, so see him there. See him move. Go on. Hurry and cut grass. Drop. Grab him, hold him. dead. Get that one there, connect peeps. He dead. There we go. See me again, guys.
Why?
My move. So you go.
Come in. Ball plate, guys. I'm gone round.
Guys, today is a day. Today is a day. So we go still, guys. Win some, we lose some. Win some and we lose some.
Woo.
Why? But we have to call it a day still because we don't really want to hunt too late. Right, so here's the catch. A woodpecker. And the partridge is it. Yeah, man. Don't know anything set up, my people. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Right now, I don't know if the ball plate they get lick or wobble, but in butter hard to fly up. So I don't really know because I couldn't see his head. I just threw the leaf then I shoot through and just kind of determine when head would have there. Yeah, man. So I don't really know if he shot catch him or not. But it get later in the evening now, peeps. So it's time for go home. Yeah, man. So we want to say farewell to you know, until the next video. You see me? Lovely lady Mickey want to say bye to you too.
Bye, guys.
So I don't know where it go. Until the next adventure, my peeps. Peace out.